Hello, see what is this? An arrangement of numbers expressed using the signs of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division is called mathematical expressions. बघा मॅथमॅटिकल एक्सप्रेशन्समध्ये ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला की ही जी अधिक, बेरीज, वजाबाकी, गुणाकार, भागाकार ह्या ज्या क्रिया येतात त्याला आपण पदावली म्हणतो किंवा मॅथमॅटिकल एक्सप्रेशन्स. सी दिस हाऊसज मेथड अँड अदर वन इज मँग्रूज मेथड. हिअर 172 divided by 6 plus 2 into 2. They have first divide 12 plus 2 into 2. Then after he do this multiplication 12 plus 4 16. But other students have done this 12 plus 2 into 2, that is 12 plus 2 14 into 2, that is 28. And this one is two different answers. We get two different answers because the two children carried out the operations in different orders. To present this, some rules have been there and we will see rules. देखो rules for simplifying an expressions. If more than one operation is to be carried out, then here we see this carried out, then multiplication and division method are carried out first in the order in which they occurs from left to right. Left to right we have to proceed as if there is multiplication or division. After that addition and subtraction are carried out in the order in which they occurs from left to right. Okay, if there are more than one operations in this bracket, follows the above two rules and then after carrying one operation. 70, here one examples have solved. 14 into 10 divided by 5 plus 17. 14 into 10 400 divided by 5 plus 17. Then division 400 divided by 5 is equal to 18 plus 17, that is 97. Second examples they have solved 18 divided by in bracket 15 plus 8 minus 7 plus 5. 18 divided by 15 plus 8 minus 3. We have to solve first इन ब्रॅकेट जो दिया आहे कंसातल्या ज्या तुम्हाला सोडवायचं आहे आणि नंतर मग ती पदावली सोडवत जायची. बघा या ठिकाणी आपण सोडवत असताना काय आपल्याला उदाहरण एक पाहायचं आहे. सी नेक्स्ट वन एक्झाम्पल आय विल सॉल्व हिअर. सी दिस I will write here 14 15 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24. See this, I will write here. We have to do first multiplication. 15 into 5 250 divided by 2 plus 24. Then we have to do division. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, remain 1, 0 1, 2 5s are 10 plus 24 and do this addition. 5 4, 5 plus 4 9, 2 2 plus 4 and 1 as it is. Answer will be 149. Then next one I will show one example. 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 divided by 6 upon 4. Okay, then we have to divide this division, but division is we have to do multiplication. Numerator goes on denominator and denominator will go on numerator like this. Then we can cancel it. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. What remain? See, 3 upon 5 plus 1 into 1, 1 and 2 into 2, 4. That is 5 here, 5 into 4. We have to multiply 3 into 4 plus here 1 into 5. Okay. Then next one, 3 4 3 4s are 12 plus 1 into 5, 5 upon 5 4s are 20. 12 plus 5, that is 17 upon 20. Like this, we have to simplify. Practice set 12. I will solve next example. See, in this, like, okay, 25 into 113 minus 9 plus 4 divided by 4, 2 into 13. We have to solve 113 like this. Write this example first and then after solve. Practice set 25. Okay, if you are not understand, ask after me. ask me. जर तुम्हाला काही समजलं नसेल तर मला तुम्ही विचारा. आता इथे काय करायचं आहे बघा, 13 into 4 इथे तुम्हाला गुणाकार करायचा. अगोदर हे सोडून घ्या. 13 into 4 काय येणार आहे, 52. 52 divided by 2 minus 26. 52 divided by 2, that is 26. 26 minus 26, answer will be 0. ओके. काय केलं आपण इथे, अगोदर हा कंस सोडून घेतला. कंस सोडून घेतल्यानंतर भागाकार केला. सी हिअर. आणि भागाकार केल्यानंतर तुम्ही वजाबाकी केली. आता या ठिकाणी सुद्धा मैरपी कंस आहे. कंसामध्ये सुद्धा सो मेनी टाइप्स आर देअर. सी हिअर इन दी ब्रॅकेट काइंड्स ऑफ ब्रॅकेट सच ॲज राऊंड ब्रॅकेट म्हणजे साधा कंस आहे, स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट चौकटीचा कंस आहे, आणि कर्ली ब्रॅकेट की त्याला आपण मैरपी कंस म्हणतो, मे बी यूज फॉर दिस पर्पज. अँड इन व्हेन सॉल्विंग ब्रॅकेट सॉल्व दी innermost bracket first and follow it up by solving the brackets outside the. See this example I will write here in this textbook. Mahirapi कंस in bracket 220 minus 140 bracket divided by, लाईट लावली तर बरं झालं. हो, 10 into 9 plus minus 2 into 5 ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट. चौकटीचा कंस जो आपण म्हणतो स्क्वेअर minus 100. We have to solve first this. Okay, like this. 220 minus 140, 80 plus 10 into 9, 90 plus minus 10 bracket complete minus 100. Then solve this. 18, 90 minus 10, 80 येणार ब्रॅकेट minus 100. 80, 80, 160 minus 100 is equal to 60. What we have to done, काय करायचे बघा, प्रथम आपण काय करायचं, हे कंसाचे प्रकार आहेत. महिरपी कंस आहे, साधा कंस आहे, चौकटीचा कंस आहे. हे सगळे कंस सोडवून घ्या अगोदर, आणि सोडवून घेतल्यानंतर तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, सोडवून घेतल्यानंतर कंस सोडवून घेतले, 220मधून 140 वजा केले 80, 10 × 9 90, -2 × 5 -10, that is 80 plus 90 and minus 10, 80, 80 plus 80 and minus 100, 160 minus 100, your answer will be 60. Okay, I think you will be understand very well. Then we have to solve practice set 25. Okay, thank you student.